Hi guys, today I want to unboxing this lah. This is a IR thermography multimeter by brand ZOYI It's from China brand. So it can detect the temperature or what Okay, so it's easy for me to repair and troubleshooting. Okay, it's 2-in-1. Okay, IR and thermo and multimeter type. Okay. So this is the box, so I will unboxing this, okay? But before that, we look around the box first, okay? Okay. Just like this, okay? You see, this is an IR, okay? And IR thermography multimeter 2-in-1. Easy for maintenance, okay? Troubleshooting. This is the box side, okay? Like this, okay? Made in China. Okay, so okay, mostly like this. Okay, so let's look inside the box. Okay, okay, the pocket one, pocket, and this is the multimeter, and the prop, okay, turn right, and and the user manual, okay, the card, okay, this is the user manual, the warranty card like this, QAQC card, okay. And the cable charger, okay, USB cable charger, okay. So now first, okay, so now we take a look in this first, this multimeter first, okay. This is good, you see, okay, through RMS, okay, auto power off. This is the 2-second power. This is whole, okay. ZOYI model ZOYI IR-01, the IR thermography multimeter. Okay, so behind like this. This is the this is the support. Okay, this is the support. Okay, this is the lens IR lens compartment here. Okay, this is charging in here. No need battery, charging already. Okay, nice. Okay, so now I try to on it. Okay, now you see I will on it. Okay, then we try to, this one is to change the thermal, and now in here is you see the degree. Check the degree first. Become black a bit. Okay, let's say this one to my hand see 31. Okay, this is more darker, you see 31. Okay, it's normal, right? Okay, 28. Try again. Okay, it's like this. Okay, 27. 27 is it? Now it's 27. 27, now it's normal already. Okay. Okay, basically it's like this only. Now off. Okay, basically it's like this only. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, see you, and goodbye.